Now, let's head to the Products tab on your dashboard to get started. Now, let's click on the big red button that shows Add Product to get started. Select the Others Marketplace from the Channel Selection menu. This option is perfect for any channels not listed in the dropdown. Now let's enter the product ID from the URL. Tip: this is usually the alphanumeric code or number sequence found within the link. Now on this step, don't forget to add the product link for verification purposes. Be sure to add the complete title of the product. Tip: it must match exactly with the one on your listing, as this will be used for cross-referencing by our buyers. Now, let's enter the price shown in the marketplace listing. Now, let's enter the brand name. Be sure it matches exactly what's listed on your product page. Next, select the category from the drop-down that best fits your product. For this example, we'll choose grocery. On this step, we'll be adding the sold by information. Tip: typically this will be the marketplace name. In this case, it's samsclub.com. Choose the repeat buyer frequency, since our buyers can only repurchase items with the same product ID every 7, 14, 30, 60, or 90 days, based on what you input during product import. Keep in mind, you can edit this frequency anytime on the products page if your launch campaign momentum is slowing down, or if you're wanting to reach more interested buyers in a short period of time for a large launch campaign. You can automatically upload your product image by pasting the link here from your marketplace. Alternatively, if the link upload doesn't work, you can upload the image manually by selecting the file from your desktop. Once successfully added, your image will appear here. Pro tip: you can delete the image by clicking the thumbnail at the bottom and then clicking the small trash icon. Once all the details are reviewed and filled in correctly, click on the big red button below that says Add Product. Congratulations! Once you're finished, your product will appear right here on the product dashboard, and you'll be ready to start your launch.